work hard in it. That is such a good song. Oh my god. Love it.
Got my dick that I hop on it.
Oh, I blinked.
No, so did I.
I blinked again.
Come, why do we keep blinking?
Don't blink. Don't blink. I blinked again.
Oh my god.
Okay, one more time, and I promise I won't. I don't think I blinked. Me neither. I probably blinked.
You're killing me.
This picture's gonna be white. I am white. Like your mom.
No, I'm gonna. That's the cover. That's the clip art. Wait. Clip art 2010 in keyboarding class.
Focus.
Brown. Like my butt.
Your brown butt's funeral home. Mine.
You don't look soft.
On it.
Hi! Okay, tell your story. What happened that he was found eating my pet dog. He's no, stop, run out. I hear her neighbor ate her dog.
You want
We
my
live in the middle of
crust?
nowhere. We have
I want it for real.
Get me another piece of pizza, please.
Kira, get off your butt, toe.
My butt's too big.
Jill, give me
With transaction complete.
Tell me skinny stories.
Get me a freaky piece of pizza.
Kira, if you get in the video, maybe I will. Wow. I don't want your crust anymore.
No!
Kira, stop!
Stop!
Actual video, Crumb.
Oh, pick your crust up.
I'm not gonna pick the crust up. You threw it.
Crumb.
Here, come over here on the couch.
No! Oh my god, your crust disappeared. It's literally not over here. Come look.
I want a pepper. Give me a pepper.
Okay, well there's crust on the loose.
I want a pepper. Give me a pepper.
Close is not close enough.
That's what your mom said yesterday, last night.
No!
What? Is that celery on your pizza?
It's green pepper. Celery on the pizza. Go ahead.
No juice is squirting out.
Ew. One
time my mom died.
No.
Then she became gay.
Okay, not gonna lie, Grandma's house, like low key, it was kind of scary.
Why? I was
That-
only when your window went like down.
Remember
That's
when
what your
I
mom
was
said last night when I was on her.
Okay.
Your house, your old house was so
Yeah.
scary.
I've never had a scary house.
House.
It's scary.
When her mom lived in
I like putting the juice on the pizza.
Crumb. Do you have chapstick? My lips burn
Juice
again.
of what?
They're doughy tonight. They're like.
That's what your mom said with my butthole.
Not really. I'm gonna try to steal my cow. I had 4
Story
cows.
of my life.
I had 5 cows.
No,
4 females and 1
that should
male.
be the,
Was one of them you? No, it's not.
Somebody tried to steal my cow.
No! 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 The comment deflurg. I like that one. Comment French. Gone French. He's a deflurg. Comment gone flare. Yeah, she got her crumbs on my wrist.
Air garlic only.
They tied the ropes around the feet. I'm gonna move.
Kinky.
Yeah.
Kinky.
Yeah.
Kinky.
It was a.
Where did
I love
you
expensive.
know?
Ew, don't put it in my hair. Here, I just washed my hair.
That's not your hair.
This one.
Where's
Dye
your
juice
juice
really?
of hair red?
Oh
yeah.
Look at the headband.
I love her though.
She dyed it back though. She did.
Yeah.
Your knee is soft. That's what happens when I eat the hair off. I literally don't know where that one. I threw it over there. It's not there. Over my cow. It's like gnawing on the crust. You joined her.
My dad's been sick for. nose blowing.
No, it's a perfectly good Reese's. Ew. Squeeze. I found it in the couch. Yeah. It's like a chicken.
In the box, really.
Warm.
The goop in the back.
Messing and best in the back. I used to lick in the back. I put a stick in the box.
I'ma get lazy. Ladies, she's the soul. Got cash app. Total wiper. No, say slap. I'll never sell my soul. Back that. And I really know. Where you at? Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. In our house.
In your mom's house.
I haven't stained these jeans yet, and it's Friday.
Oh,
In the
we gotta
Mountain
still
Dew's
do
house.
that. You can't change until you stain them.
Literally, that's a tradition. First was the red Skittle stuff on my butt in your car. And you guys had to
Give me that balloon. Right now, that's one.
I can taste that this is next to pepperonis. I literally can taste it. I eat pizza with a fork.
Your hand is a fork.
You are a fork. Your life is a fork.
Quit creeping.
It's you.
Ew, why did you get orange juice with pizza? Are you free? Ew, what?
That's a big.
Like your
Screep over. Remember the green milk?
Scrape over? Remember?
You keep on bringing up the green milk. It's so annoying. You're like, remember green milk?
You said I swear to God, you said
No,
grape.
I said
Did you
green.
grape milk. I did. Like, what if Grandma's grape milk this year? Milk, obviously.
And then what? I was Kira.
Time on the treadmill. No, ew.
You always
you
bring
didn't
that
do
up.
Shut up. I'm tired.
No.
Remember that one time we're at Grandma and Grandpa's old house? And that's coming from your nostrils.
I'm about to say something. And some of you guys aren't gonna take it good.
Don't this time.
And I live by that.
I didn't mean to say.
You guys cannot chew with your mouth.
It's a muckbang. People like to hear.
It's asthma.
I will pop the bubble.
Yeah, gross.
Gotta go. I'm trying to enjoy
That's all I do.
You want to try it? It's good. No one likes your pizza, Crumb.
I will punch
Don't
you and I'll
punch
give
my
you a
voice
bruise.
balloon. Not again. Can I have another piece of that? Is it gonna be spicy this time? There's plain cheese if you want some out there. No. This needs pineapple. Wait, they taped the cheese shut. What?
Oh!
No, they didn't. They
Look.
just put cheese over it. That's not taped over it.
Dummy.
No, look. The thing was ripped. Did you open that and use it?
Don't open it, don't open it.
It's not.
Why?
Really?
Make that the title.
Not allowed.
Zooming in on our hand movement. Can we watch that after this?
Yeah, no, it wasn't. There's just, they put another layer of it. See?
Strange.
Double layered cheese split.
Stop! Got backwards off.
Crumb!
Crumb.
All you see is your crumbs on your face.
Remember my dead skin? Remember the dry skin? Where I'm going. Up your butt. And around.
I thought you just said your butt stings.
It stings when you smacked it.
Okay, well you gotta get used to it.
Show me. Ew! Why is there dust on your butt?
Give me a green tea. Gave it to me.
Hey, get me a green tea.
No.
Yes. Watch.
Serve it.
Did you wash that glass actually? Did you actually? What's butter, yeah? how you wash it.
Oh, why? No. Wash the dishwasher? The dishwasher don't work.
Okay.
You look like a little cleaning lady.
Oh, I wanted my glass. Oh, it's cold.
Oh, it's cold. I probably won't put it in the fridge no more.
Stop!
Why do I not
Stop!
anymore?
Oh my god, you guys are weird.
You're putting pizza on my phone. Actually, I put it on my phone. And mine.
Oh.
Ew, so many crumbs on it!
It's pizza dust. Pizza dust.
No, it's my butthole butt.
Your butt. All done. I still need to eat 2 more pizzas. Remember that time at Pizza Hut when Kira ate 7 pieces of pizza?
And then the whipped cream.
I remember that.
What? We were
Bro, where did that liquid?
What?
Look at my skin.
You
Look
got
at
your
this.
crust. Oh.
Look how fat I look in these jeans.
Ew. You have
Pussy
cellulite.
What's satellite?
Satellite?
I can breathe through this
I'm
brown.
satellite.
He's ugly, he looks like a wedding ring. Ghost
Wow.
of
It's a
me,
lemon
chicken
juice.
wings. I haven't touched your lawn
Imagine if we had
intestine
this
yet.
table
My
when
thumb
we
looks
were at
weird
the-
today.
Lake.
8-1,
Look.
I'm in the wrong lane. The police are
Oh my
gonna
God.
call
Get us your
me.
water.
It's lying in reference to Candy
It's literally
Crush.
gonna be ugly.
Maybe you
That's the
are your
point.
grandma.
Your
That's
mom,
where the
you have those
leg
pictures from my
died in
day
the
still?
car.
Casey,
My
what are you
head
doing?
has a lot of
I
atoms.
want them
There
really
was
bad.
gas
Picture of us in
coming
the
out
mall.
of my
That's what I want.
ankles
Send it to me
all
now.
day.
No.
Is there brains in the refrigerator? Is sand made out of water? I can't wash my arm off with apple juice. The burnt onion ring is claustrophobic. I'm snorting air. Can the one man delay? He needs chest beautifying cream. Nutter butter butts. He's his daughter. I'm gonna pay for this. A group of slobber. You throated me in the shoulder. You're my most detailed person. I'm a hot shiver. Your ears compared. My scope is loud. I'm so hungry I could eat a parking meter. J Buffaloes. Don't look like remodeling my towel. Big ramen noodle seasoning condense your teeth. I was just sitting there being like all body language stuff. You have a crispy mouth. Dresses up for him as Halloween. My fingers inside of a nipple. What if somebody died with a peach ring on their